What's good, my pretties? So today we're going to be reviewing this wig from UNice hair on Amazon. If you guys have been keeping up with my videos recently, you'll see that a couple of hair companies have actually sent me hair from their Amazon store before. So yes, this is UNice hair, but it is from their Amazon store. So I definitely checked it out before I go to their main website, just because you will find some deals and discounts, including this hair that I have in my head. Today I'm wearing the Brazilian water wave hair. All the stats will be like later in the video, so stay tuned if you're interested. But really quickly before the video starts, I just want to say thank you guys for 1,000 subs. If you haven't been keeping up with me on social media or Snapchat, Instagram, whatever, I did reach 1,000 subs. In honor of that, my mom gave me Final Cut Pro. If you guys don't know or like haven't been in the loop for a long time, I am certified in that software, so my editing is going to be 100% better. To me, it's already been pretty decent for using iMovie, but I know how to use 100% of the features in Final Cut Pro, so I went ahead and made a new intro. Let me know what you guys think about that. And I can do a lot more creative editing, and I can get videos out to you guys a lot faster. Be expecting back-to-back videos through the month of October. I never know what happened in the future, but yeah, definitely be on the lookout for videos quite frequently. And in honor of 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway. All the information will be in the next video, which I'm filming right now, like after I'm done talking to you guys. So definitely watch that video. Let me know what you guys think of my new intro and the outro if you watch to the end. And I love you guys. Stay tuned if you're interested in more information on these beautiful hair clips and this hair from UNice hair on Amazon. Okay, so basically we're just gonna start with the wig. All I've done to it so far is bleach and pluck it. So basically your standard regular customization. Here she is. I didn't show you the wig just on the mannequin head because I'm trying to get as many videos out to you guys as possible, and that would just make this whole video a lot slower. Aside from that, it's a standard wig, so there was nothing too special I had to show you. I'm trying to make sure I show the inside of all my wigs that I received. This one has the 2 inches right here, and then this is 13 by 6. I mean, technically this whole thing is 13 by 6, but the 6 inches is all in this area, and then you have 2 inches on each side going back. And there's 3 combs for anybody who cares about that. I haven't got this question, but I'm expecting to get it. No, I don't use the combs in the wigs. I just put the wig on my head and glue it down, and sometimes I don't even glue it down. But without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and install the wig really quickly, and let's just get into it. You guys can see I already applied my ball cap. That's because I have videos showing it, as I've been saying for like the past 3 videos. I have a video showing it. It's the one where I install straight hair, literally the only straight hair I've ever installed on my channel. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and install this, and you guys can stay tuned if you're interested. Okay, so as you guys know, I'm gonna be using my new favorite method, which is the Got To Be spray, the freeze blasting spray, and I'm just gonna be blow drying it until it's dry. And then as usual, after it's dry, I'm just gonna comb it out with the comb. I did skip the part where I'm supposed to cut little tabs in the lace, but you'll see I'm doing that right now. But usually that's step 1. I'm just going to continue this method all around my head. Don't be afraid to spray it on top of the lace and just blow dry it. Just make sure you comb it out. I just stopped real quick to say that I forgot to put makeup on the lace, so there is no makeup on my head. There's no makeup on the lace. This is the natural color of the lace, and yeah, I just have to let you guys know because, you know, I always show you if I put makeup on it. And after that, we're just going to cut off the ear tabs on both sides. I cut off the other side off camera. But here's how my lace is looking. You can see that it's perfectly glued to my head. This method is perfect for a quick and easy install, and it can still look seamless just like any other glue. Then after that, you're going to cut the lace off. Get as close to the hair as you can. As you can see, I cut some hair off. Don't be afraid to cut hair off. It will not kill the lace. It won't ruin anything. It'll actually make it more natural because you'll get rid of that harsh line in the front of your hairline. Yeah, I'm just going to continue cutting off the lace all around. I'm going to remind you guys, like I said in the last video, the white halo around my head, A, it'll be gone, and B, it's just the areas where I lifted up the lace because I needed to cut it. I went in with some MAC powder foundation in the color N9, and I'm just going to spray it with the Got To Be spray and blow dry it as normal. Just make sure you're pushing down on those edges because that's what we're trying to conceal. You guys see me wiping it on my hands. That's just, I sprayed the free spray in my hands and then I put it on top of the lace with my hands instead of spraying it. But you still want to blow dry it like normal. And here's how it's looking. You can see it's seamless. The only part that I could have did better on is my cap because I could see that it's lifted in one spot through the lace. Just continue this method all the way around on any areas where the edges aren't completely glued down. If you're going to use powder makeup like I did, I highly recommend applying the makeup first and then spraying the free spray on top so it can become the true color, because powder is usually 2 shades lighter before it's set in place with a liquid of some sort. So here's how my part is looking. I did a curved part as usual. Their parting space was extremely good, and you guys can see there were no knots because the knots bleached so well. I'm just spraying the hair with regular water and brushing it out. Here's all the shedding I got. It is quite a bit, but the hair wasn't completely wet, so I was kind of dry brushing. And then we're going in with the Cantu leave-in conditioner. A couple weeks ago, my boyfriend told me that he found out this wasn't really good for your hair. And yeah, I did read the ingredients. It has alcohol. I'm pretty sure everybody knew that except for me. So I only use it on my wigs now, if anybody's wondering. But it does make my wigs soft. I won't be using it on my real hair anymore, obviously. But I have my Care wax stick, and I'm just going to apply that to my part and all my edges and then hot comb them down. By the way, when I completely wet my hair and added the Cantu, I had no shedding in the brush at all. Only that first time where it was kind of dry. Okay, so this is all the hair pulled forward. I'm sorry if you don't hear my computer, it's kind of loud, but yeah, this is all the hair to the front. As you can see, it's kind of thin, but not like in a bad way, more in like a natural hair type of way. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the stats. I'm trying to let the hair dry so we can finish styling. It looks really nice. As you can see, my go-to method as of lately is the Got To Be spray as my adhesive, because it's giving me the same, if not better, effects than some of the glues that I've used in the past. Okay, so my camera cut off. I don't know where exactly it cut off, but I'm just gonna go ahead and review the stats of the wig again just to be safe. As you guys know, this hair is from UNice hair. It's their Brazilian water wave hair in 150% density and 20 inches. And obviously, as I showed you guys in the beginning, it's a 13x6 lace frontal. It is pre-plucked. Right now, it's running for about $158. Of course, it was sent to me, so I don't know what it was at that time. Yeah, that's pretty affordable for this length of hair. I did measure it, and as I said, it was sent to me 20 inches, but I actually measured it, and it was about 17. Do with the information what you will. I just didn't want to come in here and lie to you guys, just because I'm promoting hair. So yeah, the box I sent it in was extremely beautiful. It came nice and neat. There was no bends or anything. They sent it via DHL. I did have to sign for the package. It came in this bag, just a regular hair bag. And then in the bag, I love when companies send this. They gave me the nude wig cap that I'm wearing right now because I ran out and I needed to buy another one, but it came with one in here. Just like the last hair we reviewed from Wigs Hair, it came with an adjustable band. Let's have a look at this real quick because I initially thought this was actually like an elastic. Oh, I see. Okay, that's weird. That's weird, but cool though. So this and these, you get this, 2 of those. Oh, actually this is different. Okay, I don't know how to use these at all, but like if you do, you see this has like the clips, and then it just comes with 2 of these additional clips. So you can basically customize the wig to fit your head better. Like I said, I don't really know how to use those specific bands, but if you don't, I'm pretty sure you can find a video on it or something. So that was very nice of them to send that because you can make your wig glueless using those. And then it sends an extra clip. I've never seen this personally. An extra clip just in case one of them, you know, you cut the thread by accident or the thread just comes loose, which is really cool. Like I said, I've never seen that in any other company. And then it doesn't have the info cards, but the information is on the back of the box. It's just your standard hair care, how to measure your head, and all of that. And then it gives you all of their contact information right here. They don't really need the information cards that typically come with hair because all the information is on the box. I'm gonna let this hair dry really quickly and then I'll be back to style it with you guys. And while that's happening, I'm gonna be trying to figure out if I want baby hairs or not. I'm pretty sure I want, like, you know, the ones on the side, and then I'll probably do like one here, but I'll think about it. Okay, so the hair should be completely dry right now. I'm just gonna take this off. I just wrapped it up because it was getting kind of hot and I didn't want to like sweat it out. So yeah, I'll show you guys all the hair to the front. You can see it is a little bit thicker than it was, but other than that, it pretty much looks the same. So I'm gonna go ahead and part out some baby hairs. So right here, I'm just pulling out my baby hairs as usual and then cutting them. The shorter they are, the more natural they look to me. I know I made fun of the Gorilla Snot when I first started using it in my first couple videos, but it's actually really good for doing edges in this method just because the Got2b spray isn't a strong hold. The Gorilla Snot is really strong and it kind of holds the wig in place. So as you guys can see, those are the baby hairs. For the most part, I'm gonna leave them like this. So like I said, I'm probably gonna do one more swoop right here. I just went over one more just because when the hair blows, I just want them to see my baby hairs. So next we're just going to tie down our hair. Just grab any scarf. I'm just using this one because it's the closest one to me. I guess she'll get a little bit of promo. I usually just sit here and let this dry, but I want to hurry up and film my other video, so I'm going to blow dry it. Okay, so it should be dry. Yikes, it's ooh. Look, y'all. So this lace is laid. Okay, so really quickly, we're just gonna finish this off. I've been dying to like use these, and finally somebody sent them to me. Actually, it just so happens that that's the company that just sent me this Asia's collection. I was sent some of these along with some other stuff, but like I want to use these. So we're just gonna put these little clips in. I've always wanted to like put them in because you know when you like layer them, that's the wrong way. I just think it's really pretty, and I've seen it before and I've always wanted to try it, and finally somebody sent me some. So like I said, this hair is from UNice Hair on AliExpress. Yes, they do have an Amazon store, and yes, select hairstyles do have Prime shipping. So definitely click the link in my description box if you're interested. Follow me on Instagram if you want to see more pictures of this hair. And if you want to know more about the store that I got these beautiful clips from, all of that will be on my Instagram at It's Pretty My, and follow me on Snapchat for more behind the scenes stuff at MAVBEME. I'll put it on the screen because I know it's a lot, but I'll see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys. Bye.